delegates to Gujarat MUN IAEA committee. My name is Abhulip Mukherjee and I'll be your co-chairperson over the 2 days of the conference. International Atomic Energy Agency was found in 1957 in response to the fears and the expectations resulting from nuclear energy. The agenda that we will be discussing in Gujarat MUN is measures to strengthen international cooperation in nuclear radiation transport and waste safety. Before researching about the agenda, there are few things which each and every delegate should keep in his mind. The first is the country which this particular delegate is allotted. Before going into the agenda, before going into the intricacies related to the agenda, delegates should first read about the country, where the location of the country, the capital, the type of government, as well as the countries and the associations which this particular country is related to or associated to. After you know the basics of your country, start moving into the agenda. Now once you are inside the agenda, once you starting your research about the agenda, divide the agenda into 3 parts. The first part is what is the agenda. Now when you answer your first question, what is the agenda, you basically have to know what your agenda is going to deal with. For example, let's consider the agenda which we'll be discussing in this conference, that is measures to strengthen international cooperation in nuclear radiation transport and waste safety. What is the agenda? We have to strengthen international cooperation for transportation of nuclear materials as well as disposal and safe disposal of nuclear wastes. The next question that you should answer is why we should discuss the agenda. We should discuss this agenda because at the present moment we see several countries in African Union which is very much affected due to illegal transportation and illegal dumping of nuclear wastes in their water. Therefore, we at the present moment, being delegates of the international community, should come up with solutions to curb the problem and prevent the destruction of ecology as well as the destruction of that area. Because nuclear radiations as well as dumping of nuclear waste not only destroys the ecology but also affects the livelihood of all the human beings living in that in a particular radius. After you're done answering what and why we should discuss this agenda, the next is how to research this agenda. When you start researching about your agenda, the first read is all the related materials that you can find about the agenda. All the related materials includes your international treaties and conventions which is related to this agenda, most importantly NPT, the previous IAEA reports and the IAEA action plans and the IAEA paperworks. You need to read the United Nations previous resolutions if there are regarding this particular agenda, as well as the paperworks which are there which are regional in nature. For example, if there is any particular paperwork by the European Union regarding this particular agenda, do give it a read. For example, there is this convention called Bamako Convention which discusses disposal of nuclear waste in African Union only. So as such, regional cooperation and regional association paperworks are also important. This is basically what your agenda and how to go about your agenda likes. But being an executive board member, what I expect from the committee, as well as what my other co-chairperson expects from the committee, is impeccable research and logic. When you start discussing, when you start debating upon a particular agenda, about a particular topic related to the agenda, if you don't have clear logic and if you don't use your research properly, the committee loses time and it's a waste of time and energy. Therefore, you must know how exactly to place your research when it's required, how exactly to divide your research over the 2 days of the conference and use it wisely. For example, say if you don't know about a particular topic, but that topic is being discussed, start, if you have a very less knowledge about it, go through it, give it a quick read, listen to each and every one, and then start formulating your own speech, which you can only do if you have clear logic. Therefore, delegates, concluding this video, proper research, impeccable logic, and diplomatic courtesy is what I expect from the delegates over the 2 days of the conference. With this, thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to be a part of GMAN, to be chairing IAEA, and I can't wait to see you guys in the committee. All the best.